Hi, my name is Eboni Harris, relationship therapist in Houston, Texas, and host of Room for Relations, Sex and Relationship Podcast. Today I'm going to talk about the 3 mistakes you make when problem solving with a partner. So stay tuned. So, as I've said so many times before, and I'm sure many therapists, psychologists, psychiatrists, everyone says, the problem with fighting or trying to resolve issues with your partner is not how often you fight, it's about how you fight. And we make so many mistakes when it comes to fighting, and I want to talk about problem solving specifically, because when we get to the point of trying to resolve something, there are so many little mistakes that we make, but I want to focus on the 3 biggest mistakes I see couples making when they're trying to resolve a problem. So let's get started. The number 1 problem is wanting to win. That is often the goal for one or both of the partners. They want to prove that they're right, they want to prove that they have the right answer, and they want to win the argument. That should not be the case. The goal should always be to fight the problem together. You should be teaming up with your partner to beat the problem, not each other. Number 2 mistake, blaming the other person for the problem. You are in a relationship. That means both of you contribute to the problem in some type of way. The important thing is that you acknowledge your contribution to the problem, even if that's just allowing the other person to treat you a certain way or allowing the other person to act in a certain manner. You are still contributing to the problem in some way. So take responsibility for your part, and then that helps you come closer to resolving the issue. Number 3, letting it go. I know that sounds like that's the best answer sometimes. I know it feels like instead of fighting about the same thing over and over again, it's easier just to not deal with it and to let it go. But all that is doing is creating these stacks of problems that you haven't resolved yet. If you can't learn how to resolve the smaller things as the bigger things happen, it's not going to be good for your relationship. So don't let it go. Try a different strategy. Use different tools. Below, I'm going to have a link to a worksheet, my problem solving worksheet. It's a 3-part worksheet that you can use to solve any problem, especially those problems that you tend to be working on over and over and having all of these discussions about. So if you click below, you can go and get the worksheet, and it will help you with any problem. Try it out with your next problem. Try it out with the next issue that you've been dealing with for a long period of time, and see how it works. When you get that worksheet, you'll get a copy of the problem solving worksheet. You'll get a copy of this video and also my blog that tells you how to resolve any problem. So make sure you check it out. I hope this helps. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Eboni Harris, Houston relationship therapist and host of Room for Relations, Sex and Relationship Podcast. I'll see you guys next Wednesday.